What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Grass. Guys, this crypto was launched just under 2 weeks ago and it has been performing absolutely insane. In the last 24 hours itself, it has pumped up over 43%, currently trading at $3.68. So we're going to be going through, is Grass a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it way too late? Should you sell it? Or is it crypto to hold on to? And also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option. But guys, do bear in mind that this crypto has not been around for too long, and even though yes, it has pumped up like crazy, 355% up in the last month, it was initially launched on the 28th of October, so just about 10 days ago. So yes, new cryptocurrencies can be very volatile, so before you invest into it, make sure you look into the project and make sure your risk management is on point. But we'll get into all of that stuff very shortly. But before I do that, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which is what I'm going to be using to do some price prediction. And yes, we are currently looking at the 30-minute chart, and then I'll move on to the hourly and daily chart for the long-term prediction. However, only negative point to that is there is not much data on the crypto, meaning the long-term prediction will not be as possible. But again, I will try my best to give you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours and possibly over the next few days as well. So as you guys can see, the crypto currency has been gaining value. Majority of it did come from the last couple of hours here, currently trading at $3.71. So it's going up as I'm recording the video. And so before I go any further, just to let you guys know, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking a little bit skeptical. We got the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the blue line is slanting towards a negative direction, looking quite bearish. So yes, we got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Grass over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be hovering around $3.65 is what I'm expecting at the moment. Reason for that is, yes, it is likely to gain value over the next couple of hours, pumping up to potentially $3.80, $3.85 and hitting 90 as well. However, later on the day, potentially towards the end of the day, it is likely to start hitting red candles, dropping back down to $3.65, just below where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting at the moment. Reason being is, yes, it has been pumping like crazy over the last week or so. However, the crypto is likely to go for a price correction potentially over the next week or so, dropping down in value. So talking about that, let's move on to the hourly chart here. So over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Over the next week or so, so towards the end of next week, we have the blue line and the orange line both heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and yes, they are looking quite steep as well, meaning in this case an overall increase in value is expected. However, because of how steep the lines are, it is not as realistic as it seems. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last few days. However, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction, but early to mid next week, dropping down to closer to the $3 mark is what I'm expecting, or just below that by mid next week is what I'm expecting at the moment, because as I mentioned, it is overvalued and is likely to go for a price correction. This doesn't just apply to Grass. I'm also expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, to take a little bit of a hit by early to mid next week, and that should have quite of a negative impact on the crypto market before it slowly starts to gain value again towards mid to end of next week. So do expect quite of a wave, but again, at the moment, the overall outcome for specifically Grass does seem to be more on the negative side because of how much value it has gained over the last week. Now, moving on to these ads, guys. Let's move on to the daily chart, and as you guys can see, the MACD indicator has literally just disappeared because there is not much data. When we move on to the daily chart, we've got a couple of candlesticks here, and to do the long-term prediction, it won't be possible. However, if you guys ask me, am I buying this crypto right now? Simple answer is no. Reason being is there is not much history or data on this crypto. I'm a long-term holder, so for me to be holding on to this cryptocurrency for the long term is not a safe option. Again, no cryptocurrencies are safe. However, this is a highly risky crypto to be investing into for myself anyway, especially that I'm a long-term holder. Even for the short-term holder, it is a risky investment. I would not be choosing this cryptocurrency to invest. However, that does not mean I'm telling you guys not to invest or invest. Is entirely up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I'm just giving you guys my prediction and my take on what I would do. And for those of you guys who are looking to sell it, if you're on a profit, yes, I would sell it, but not all of it. What I mean by that is, for example, if I invested $100, I would probably, if I was on a profit right now, I would probably sell about 60 to 70%, so $60 to $70, and keep the remaining for the long-term hold. So at least I've taken out some profit and I'm still holding onto the crypto, which personally is a win-win situation. And when it comes to investments, that's what I usually do. I don't buy and sell all of it at once. I do partly, so I take partitions between what I've invested, and that for me has worked so far. But yeah, as you guys can see, the trading volume has gone up over 40% in the last 24 hours, making it $736 million in trading. So this itself shows how much attention this crypto is getting in the crypto market, especially that it's new as well. There's been a lot of people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and we can see that majority of the community are towards the bullish side. So I've seen a lot of comments saying that this crypto is likely to hit the $10 mark by the end of the year, which I highly disagree with, because yes, it's gained an insane amount of value over the last week, going from about 86 cents or even 70 cents to $3.70. If it keeps going in that direction, yes, it can hit a $10 mark. However, as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction, therefore it is unlikely to hit the $10 mark. But let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low are you guys expecting Gross to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.